Hi guys, welcome back to Cardio. Today we're unboxing the tteokbokki. I want you guys to join me and unbox it. Tteokbokki is a signature Korean food and it is made up by boiling bit-sized round Korean rice cake or thin rice cake in gochujang. So guys, let's jump right into the video. So guys, in case you don't know, this tteokbokki has become very popular around the world. Okay, so I'm just going to unbox it with you guys. Let's see what is inside. I already mentioned that it's a Korean street food. I have a video of me preparing it, and I also have a video of me eating it, a mukbang with my friend. You can check it out and I'll put it in my description. That's the link in my description, guys. So I've opened this and I want to show you guys what is in it. So this is my Korean recipe guide, and then after my Korean recipe guide we have our gochujang, which is red chili pepper powder, and that is our vegetables, dried green onion slices, and then we have our gochujang red chili pepper. Then this is soy sauce 6 ml, and then that is our green syrup jojang. Okay, and then this is our thin rice cake sticks. We have 3 of it, which is 300 grams. Okay, so yeah, and then we have salt, followed by our dried fish cake. Okay, so that is our sugar that we're going to add when preparing the meal. Okay guys, so we have gone through everything in our ANSI kit, I think. Yes, so guys, I have a video of me preparing this meal. I'll put the link in my description. I have a video of me doing a mukbang with my friend. I'll put it in the description. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, and turn on the notification button. Okay, so this meal kit was gotten from the Korean government in Nigeria, Korean Cultural Center Nigeria, and the Korean Food Promotional Institute. It's an ANSI pack, guys. So yeah, voila, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.